Hey guys, yeah, so I'm just here thinking, and we live in a time where information is everywhere. Anything you want to learn is literally one click away. There are YouTube tutorials, there are creators like me breaking down songs, giving you tips, showing you techniques, and even offering full courses and products that will actually help you grow. Yet, every year, people are still stuck at the same level. They want to grow, they want to sound better, they want to play with confidence. But when the year ends and a new one starts, they realize that they haven't really moved forward. So the question is, why? Is it that they don't want it bad enough? Or is it that because information is so available, they take it for granted? Maybe they keep telling themselves that, you know what, I'll learn it later, I'll practice tomorrow, I'll start when I feel motivated. But let me tell you something real. Growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens when your desire becomes stronger than your excuses. When I was a kid starting my journey, I didn't have YouTube. There was no YouTube. There was no online lessons. Nobody was online breaking down chords. Nobody was telling me what to practice. If I wanted to learn something, I had to go to the library. I would literally browse the internet on the computer and search for chords and print them out, and then when I get home I would try to make sense of the chords. So that was one of the way I learned. I can recall days when I was using cassettes to record every song I heard on the radio, every jingle, every advertisement, every random melody that was played on the radio. I recorded it because I made it my duty to learn it. I didn't care what it was. I just wanted to be good. I just wanted to grow. I wanted to understand the music on a deeper level. And what actually pushed me back then, it wasn't praise from people. Not because I wanted people to say I was great, but because I wanted to feel great at something that I was passionate about. So passion was key, and that's the difference between musicians who stay stuck and musicians who grow. So if you're listening to me right now, I want you to hear me clearly. You have more resources, more tools, and more opportunities than any generation before you. The only thing that is actually left is your decision, your hunger, your willingness to show up consistently. You don't need 5 hours a day. You don't need an expensive keyboard. You don't need to be born with talent. You just need a plan. You need consistency. And you need a genuine desire to get better. Every great musician that you look up to, every single one had a point in life where they had to say enough is enough. I am not staying at this level anymore. And maybe today is your moment to say the same thing. Because here is the truth. The future version of yourself is waiting. Your improved sound is waiting. Your confidence is waiting. Your musicianship is waiting. And nothing will change until you decide to change. So I want to encourage you to let today be that day. Let this be the season where you commit to growth like you never have before. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to learn everything at once. You don't have to compare yourself to anyone. Just start. Show up, be consistent. And if you show up, if you commit, if you stay hungry, I promise you, your music will take you further than you have ever imagined. So let's grow, let's get better, and let this moment be the moment where everything changes for you. So guys, I hope you found value from this. I hope you're motivated. And until next time, keep on learning.